going to show you in a few steps how to add product and collection so they appear in the right place on your website. Let's hop right in.
Okay, now that you're at your home page here, we're going to go into products, and then we're going to go into collections. And here we've already started our collections, and you can see inside of that on some of the collections I've created conditions. I think the only one that's a manual is the featured collection. So what this is a condition. Anytime there's a tag on a particular product that you give it, or the title contains this word, and make sure it's select to any condition, because you'll have to do both of these. Another condition you can add, you can change it to shirt. You can also select if you had a collection that was sale, so anything that was a sale of $10 sale, and so you wanted anything that matched the price of $10 would go under this collection, the type, vendor, all of those different things. And so once you get your collections set, then you're going to hit save. Okay, go back to our products, and now let's add a product, and we'll just use the default title here. All right, you can give it a description, and this is where you would add your image. You're going to hit add file, and we'll just select this one. Okay, you can also add video or more images of different angles. You come in and set the price. We'll just call this a $20 shirt. And this is for your future reference if you want to know your actual cost on the item. You can see the margin. This is where if you are keeping track and you've got a store, you want to add the SKU number and the barcode number, so that if it's scanned in store, it's pulling this off your online store. And now you're going to give the quantity. So let's say we have 2 of these. Okay, so this is where you're going to add the options. If you had different sizes or different colors, different variety of the same product, different material, that type of thing. So we're going to add, we're just going to add some options of sizes. We're going to add 2 because we only have 2. And then we're going to add another value of large. Okay. And you can go back and add more options later. This is where you add the quantity of each individual item. You can even edit this individual SKU of this particular small. And you can also edit so let's just say the smalls were cheaper and you wanted to change the price to 18 because you get them cheaper. Whatever the case is, and this is also, if you're using the harmonized system, you can put that in as well. Okay, so once we get this finished, then you need to go back, and this is where you want to add the tags, and that tag that we used for tops is tops. So it'll either grab this and put it in the collection, or because we're using the shirt, because we're doing any condition, it'll pull either one. And then you're going to want to set this to active and then save. Okay, now you can see all your items here. And if this particular item you wanted to keep in the inventory, but you wanted to remove it from the store, you're just going to check mark here and actions, and then set as draft, or you can delete the product. All right, so let's view this on the store. You can hit the little eyeball here and it takes you right to the store, and there it is. You can also find it in the collections on the homepage here under tops, and it's there as well under this collection under tops. And let's say we wanted to add it to the sales or the featured. So if we go back to our home page, we have the featured collection here. Let's say we wanted it to appear here. So what we would do, we would go back to this item, and we can add it to the collection of featured. Save. Okay, so if we go back into our website here, and we go down to our featured, and there it is. All right, well, thanks for joining me. That's how you add your products and collections. If you have more questions, or like to see more videos, please put them in the comments, and thanks for joining.